Imagine unlocking a superpower that lets you turn ideas into reality with just a few clicks. That power is coding, and you don't need a degree to start. In the next few minutes, we'll show why learning the basics first saves you time, builds confidence, and opens doors you never knew existed. You'll be ready to write your first line of code and view the world anew. Think of coding like learning a new language. Instead of memorizing words, you learn syntax, the grammar that tells a computer what to do. Just as you practice speaking to become fluent, you write small programs to train your brain. Each line you type becomes a sentence that tells the machine a simple task. Soon you'll notice patterns that let you express ideas with ease. Coding teaches you a problem-solving mindset. When faced with a bug, you break the challenge into smaller steps, hypothesize, test, and iterate. This loop mirrors scientific inquiry, turning frustration into curiosity. Over time, you develop resilience, learning to view obstacles as puzzles waiting for a logical solution rather than roadblocks. Each debugging session becomes a training gym for your brain, strengthening logical muscles you'll use beyond code. The fastest way to cement new skills is building tiny projects. A simple calculator, a to-do list, or a weather widget lets you apply concepts instantly. These mini apps act as stepping stones, each adding a layer of confidence. As you stack them, you'll see how small wins accumulate into real-world capabilities. Soon you'll realize that the same logic powers games, data tools, and even art. Debugging feels like detective work. You gather clues from error messages, trace the flow of data, and isolate the faulty line. Imagine a magnifying glass highlighting the rogue code while you reconstruct the story of what the program tried to do. This process sharpens attention to detail and teaches perseverance. Each solved bug becomes a badge of honor, proving you can conquer complex problems. Version control is the safety net for every coder. Tools like Git let you snapshot your work, experiment without fear, and roll back mistakes instantly. Think of it as a time machine for your code, preserving every change and letting you collaborate smoothly with others around the globe. With each commit, you build a clear history, making debugging and teamwork far easier. Learning to code thrives in community. Forums, open source projects, and coding meetups let you share ideas, ask questions, and receive feedback. By collaborating, you expose yourself to diverse perspectives, accelerating growth. Remember, the most successful programmers are those who teach others as much as they learn themselves. Joining a study group can turn frustration into motivation, turning every challenge into a shared adventure. Once you master fundamentals, many career paths open up: web development, data analysis, AI, and more. Each path builds on core concepts, but adds specialized tools and libraries. By aligning your interests with market demand, you can turn a hobby into a sustainable profession, earning income while solving real problems. With persistence, you'll find a niche that matches your passion and offers growth. Now you have the roadmap. Start with simple syntax, build tiny projects, debug like a detective, use version control, and join a community. If you found this guide helpful, give it a thumbs up, share your thoughts in the comments, and subscribe for more coding adventures. Your journey begins today, and the possibilities are endless.